Hey, thanks for stopping by. My name's Kevin Mohan, founder of CodeBreeze Solutions right here in New Haven, Connecticut. And I help small businesses grow online. Whether you need a new website, a stronger online presence, or you're not showing up on Google, I can help you with that. I think I'm just going to start out by giving you a little tour of my homepage. And what's important about a homepage, in the first 3 to 6 seconds, you want to tell people where you are and what you do. So I do that right here in New Haven, Connecticut, web design for small businesses. The other thing you want is a strong call to action. So where you are, what you do, and the next step. How do I get in touch with you? So, free consultation, view my work. Let me just go to my services up here. Okay. Custom websites. I do custom, everything is code. I do the front end, the back end. I use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, and I use Python. And if you need other languages, I can figure it out. I use a lot of AI tools. They're great. They do make mistakes here and there, so keep that in mind. And there is a cost to them as well. Um, I'm pretty good with SEO. I established CodeBreeze Solutions 3 years ago. Um, And you can imagine that web development in New Haven is a competitive market. And through raw organic code and just online digital marketing, if you go to Google as of right now, I'm going to type in web developers. Yeah, New Haven, Connecticut. Okay, I have it already here just to see where I came up. um, Look at that, right at the top. That's not at the top. I don't think so. It is at the top. Let me just check. Well, must have just got there because it was in the middle of the page earlier today. um, so that's pretty good. These are companies that have been around for 20 plus years, 15 years. Right up here, these are usually sponsored people um, or well established. Like this is 15 years plus. um, 15 years plus, 5 years. That's pretty good. Um, More businesses. Yeah, here we go. CodeBreeze Solutions. Front page, first page. How many down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, mind you, I don't pay for advertising. Everything is organic code. And this is against companies at 25 plus years. Look at that, 15 plus years, 7 plus years, 10 plus years. These are well established digital marketing agencies. Um, so, yeah, how did I do that? Well, consistency, consistency. Um, yeah, I update my website a lot. Let me show you the code. Everything I do is custom. Let me just show you some of the code. Here's my home page. This is all raw code. I use VS Code. But I just want to show you the top upper section, this one section. I know it's probably Greek to you, but this is advanced search engine optimization right here. This is JavaScript. All this white text right here. This is all code that I wrote for the for Google search engines, other search crawlers, and the large language models like OpenAI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all of them. All this code right here, and you're not going to get that with a Squarespace or a framework. without using a developer, I should say. Um, so anyway, I'm going to quick out of this. That's probably boring to you. Um, but SEO foundations, I do a lot with search engine optimization. As you can see from my own website, and my clients, they're doing really well. And the ones that advertise do really well, like with Google ads. I'm getting a little excited. I'm sorry. A little bit about me. I have an AS in computer science. I went back to school later in life and got a degree. I graduated. I worked really hard, magna cum laude, which is second highest honors. So, and then when I finished school, I'm a pretty good coder, front end. I know these languages and all the foundations, but I was missing something, the digital marketing part. I didn't fully connect all the dots. So I went to Google and I took a course in Google. I got 4 certificates in digital marketing with Google. There's a few more I want to get, but let me tell you, it was amazing. It changed everything. I learned so much. So I applied those principles to my own website and to my clients. And I mean, it's phenomenal. You should take the course yourself. It would be worth it. It's like going to school, though. It really is. It's just cheaper. Um, yeah, so that was exciting. I put those techniques to practice. Let me show you one thing that I learned, and that's your Google business profile. Okay, Google, this is really important. If you don't have your Google business profile, you definitely need to get one. It's very easy to do. It's a 3-step process. Um, but I already have mine set up, so I'm going to show you mine real quick. And here we go, CodeBreeze Solutions. All right, you got to set up your Google business profile. It is extremely important. Yep, here's my business. Um, this is where your maps, where all kinds of stuff about your business shows up. Really, really important. Um, so I'll come back to this. Um, and my websites are scalable. I mean, we could start out small and just grow. I'm very flexible with pricing because I work by myself and I use AI tools now. What used to take me a month, I could do in a week. So what agencies charge $10,000 for, I can charge under 1,000 and so on. I mean, my goal is to help small businesses. I mean, that is the backbone of our country, my belief. I talk a lot about New Haven. A lot of my customers are in Connecticut, but I can do websites for anyone wherever you are. My goal is just to help small businesses grow. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life. I've been a magician since I was a teenager. I had a kitchen and bath business for 15 years. I did a couple other little things. I've had some jobs here and there, but my passion is just being self-employed, I guess, and helping others. That's a big one. Um, I love helping others. So that's what I do with CodeBreeze Solutions. And as a matter of fact, if you come up here to tutorials, everything that I just told you about, I created videos, a YouTube channel, how to set up your Google business profile, a website audit. You could do your own website audit, or I can audit your website. Um, owning your own domain name. Oh, wow, that's so important. I don't want to forget to tell you guys about that. That is so important. Own your digital assets. I highly recommend that. So my clients set up their own accounts on Hostinger, and I use Hostinger. I could use any one you want, any hosting service you want. But one of my professors recommended it in school, and I've been using it ever since. I did research on it, and they're just phenomenal, and their pricing is excellent. I highly recommend Hostinger. And I have a link. You can use my referral. It doesn't cost you any more, but it helps me out. I have a video here. How long does SEO take? Search engine optimization. Um, it takes 6 to 12 months. It really does. And that's being consistent. Um, but anyway, I have these tutorials. I have 10 of them now. You can join my YouTube channel, and they're all free, and they're designed to help you. And any of these services I can do for you. I'd be happy to do it for you. Um, Here's my about page. Tell you a little bit about me. Hey, I'm smiling. um, yeah, I just work really hard to help you guys. Click over the home page. What else did I want to tell you? Oh, hosting, so important. Um, and I'm going to tell you why. Because my kitchen and bath business, when I had that, the first year, somebody was doing the website for me, and they took care of everything. One day he emails me and said, "Oh, I can't do your website anymore." I was like, "What?" And it took me about 3 months to get everything into my name because he didn't originally do it. He had a friend do it. It was one of those deals. So it was quite stressful. Um, so I highly recommend you own at least your domain name. So you can keep, and that's the URL address like CodeBreezeSolutions.com. That's cheap. It's like $20 a year. You keep that for life. I've had momagic.net since 1998, I believe. Even when I wasn't doing it, I just held on to it. So that's really important. Um, and what's really important too, I'll just touch on this really quick, is your contact. You want to easily be able to contact you in multiple ways because not everyone wants to call, and a contact form is really important. You want to have a contact form. Um, I did a whole video on that. That's how important it is. So what else do we? Oh, my pricing. Um, it's very reasonable. As of today, it is. Um, my clients. There's some of them. Oh, Google reviews. This is really important. This was probably the most out of the 4 certificates I got. Google reviews are the most important. I did a whole video on it, and you get reviews. Well, basically by asking your customers. And I didn't realize how important it was in the 3 years I've been doing CodeBreeze. I only have 9 reviews right now, but they're all legitimate. You don't want to use family and friends or buy reviews because with AI, Google knows suspicious activity. You don't want to get your Google business profile banned or temporarily banned or whatnot. So, and they won't even show your search results, like landscaper in New Haven. They won't even show you if there's suspicious activity. You really have to build trust with Google and the other search uh, engines. And the large language models, they are becoming huge. ChatGPT and Claude, all of them. Google, they're all learning everything about us. So you try and have the best digital footprint you can have. Oh, let me look at my performance here for CodeBreeze just to look. This is good. 29 clicks. That's pretty good for me for 1 month. And I mean, they're all up 400 views over. Look at the searches. Look at this. Web design company, New Haven, Connecticut. That is a money term search. That's not brand specific. That's really exciting. I'm excited because it's working, it's working, and I can make it work for you guys. There's a lot of tips with this profile to optimize it. Um, I highly recommend you watch the video. Some of my videos, the beginning ones, are a little rough. I'm still learning how to do the videos. edit them and everything. Um, but I think it's the best way for me to introduce what I do for you and how I can help you. Um, wherever you are, I'm happy to help you. So let's build something great together. Check out the tutorials. Some of this stuff you could probably do yourself. Um, if not, I'll be happy to help you. Um, yeah, thanks for stopping by. Send me a message, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel. Oh, you could sign up for my newsletter. I'm going to do a video on newsletters. That is so important. I didn't realize it until I started doing it. It's been 36 weeks, once a week. I put out a newsletter. Where is it? um, Depending on the business you're in, a newsletter is huge. I mean, what a way to keep in touch with your customers. Here, Mo Magic Weekly, Beehive. It's really good. It's doing great for me. Um, and I appreciate anyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Well, guys, this is the tour of CodeBreeze Solutions. So if I can be of service to you or help your business grow, I'd love to help you. Thank you so much for watching.